Hey Squad, welcome back to sort of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool Handbag here, and pins what this is a brand new bag that's from the Dior brand. And see right here I do have a very nice little bag right here that they gave me, and they also give you guys a star as usual when you guys do purchase it. Like I mentioned in my previous video when I did the unboxing for the Dior products, if you guys do buy women's stuff, they'll give you guys a golden star. If you guys do buy men's stuff, they give you guys a silver star. And I believe you guys are nice enough to ask them to probably give you guys the other star if you guys don't like this one instead. But I love the packaging when they do give you guys the bag. It feels so high quality and very nice. The same thing for this one when you guys do buy men's stuff, it gives you guys a blue bag compared to women give you guys a white bag. But I'm actually open the inside and show you guys what's included. So as always, they do give you guys the envelope for like the receipt and the certificate, etc. So here's the receipt, etc. And then inside the package, we do have the box, and on the box it is white. Depending on like the holiday season, I think they do give you guys different box. But right now I got the white one. And then in terms of the ribbon that we do have right here, it is the blue ribbon. If you guys do buy the female one, I believe it's like white or some other color. I don't remember exactly the color at this moment, but it was a different color compared to what you guys got here. But also same thing for the ribbon. I believe if you guys are nice enough and ask them, they might just give you guys the other color if you guys prefer this color instead. But if you guys see my previous video, I actually reviewed a few different products from Dior in terms of Dior Beauty. And it's the same exact box. So let's open up and show you guys what I did get this time. So let's peel the ribbon open, and we'll put the ribbon one side for now. If you guys do open up, here is the packaging or the box. And inside we do have the Dior sticker that's blue, not white like when you guys purchase for women products. But if you guys do open it, let's see what's inside. I want to be very careful and slowly remove the sticker because I don't want to ruin the sticker. If you guys don't care about the sticker, just remove it really quickly. But I do care. So once you guys remove it, inside right here we do have the dust bag or the bag for the actual product, and that's pretty much everything that's inside besides the wrapping paper inside. So I'll also put this on one side for now, and I want to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So on the outside right here we do have the word Dior. If you guys do open it, inside right here I can see the product and it smells really good already. I can definitely smell that high quality calfskin leather. So once I do take it out, this is what the inside looks like. So this is one of the newest products from the Dior brand that just came out in the newest collection. The one that I got right here is a deep gray color. They do have this available, I believe, in 2 other colors as well. So if you guys prefer the other 2 colors and get those instead, I went for this one because this one actually looks the nicest in terms of the coloring and what my preference is when I do wear a lot of other clothing or the color. So the first thing I want to see or notice on here is the fact that it does say Dior right here on the side. And then right here it also says Dior or Christian Dior. It might be hard when I see it, but if you guys look really carefully on here, it does say Christian Dior. There's like a very nice stitching on here. Same thing for this side right here as well. And right above that, we do have a zipper compartment for you to put stuff inside. And just like any of the other products, when you guys do view and use the zipper, it's very high quality than a lot of other products out there in the market today. If you can see and hear that zipper, it opens and closes so easily. You guys can definitely feel that luxury material that's on here. And even when you guys feel it, it just feels so nice and so high quality, especially for this part right here. And this part right here, I believe is like the calfskin leather. Yep, so when you guys smell it, you can definitely smell that calfskin leather on here. But if you guys open it, let's see what the inside looks like. So inside they do give you guys the wrapping paper to keep the shape of the product. And the capacity that's in here is actually very big. You can see how you can put a lot of stuff inside. Like if you guys can put your phone inside, that is what the phone looks like inside, and there's so much more space. And when you guys look at the stitching or the pattern that's inside in terms of the fabric that they use, in terms of the fabric that they do use, it looks so nice. If you see how the fabric on there says Dior, even for the top part right here it says Dior as well. The top part right here says Dior and made in Italy, and it has its own stitching on there, so that way it knows it's like a legit product. You can see right there, it just looks so nice. And I also love the way how they designed the bag itself. It's not like super eye-catching or anything. Like it's a smaller word that says Dior, so not a lot of people would notice it. But if you guys know like the design, you guys will see it immediately. If you guys saw my previous video for other products I review, like the cases for like your iPhone or whatever, I usually get like a darker case to cover the back part so it's not as notable, because I don't want people to know that I have the Apple iPhone. As much as I like to show off or whatever, I don't want to do that. And I just feel like this bag is just like the perfect bag to do so. Like when you guys look at it, probably you don't even know it's a Christian Dior bag until you guys look at the details that's on here, especially for the inside right here as well. That stands out a lot. But same thing for the material inside. When you guys do feel it, it feels super nice as well. It has this very nice fabric inside that's not like your normal fabric. So that is what the inside looks like. Definitely very spacious, if you can see. Let me put everything back inside for now, because I want to keep the shape of the product. I don't want to deform or make a weird shape. So I zip back up. You can hear that quality of the zipper that's on here. And even on the zipper, if you guys can see the details on here, it does say Dior as well, which is pretty cool. So this is what the front part of the bag looks like. If you can see on the side right here, they also have this little pocket for you to put stuff here if you guys want to as well. That's like a mesh pocket. So it's not too big, but it's big enough probably for you guys to put like maybe like a pencil or like a small portable power bank. Or maybe like a small portable power bank. Or even if you guys do have like something like this, you can put inside as well. But you probably don't want to put anything sharp to actually cut the material that's on here. So that's the side. The other side right here, we do have another zipper compartment. If you guys do open up, this one's like another hidden zipper compartment for you to put stuff inside right here. That goes pretty deep. You can see how deep my hand can go inside. So that way, if you guys want to put like maybe like a passport or something that like your credit card to keep it hidden, you do have the option available. So that way, actually makes it a little bit harder for people to steal stuff compared to the front side right here. And same thing for this side, they do have the same fabric that's on the inside that I show you guys here as well, which is really nice. And also on the zipper, they do have the Dior word on here. And it has a high quality zipper, so that way when you guys do close it, you guys can see and hear how smoothly it glides. So that's also very nice as well. If you guys turn to the back part here, they do have this very nice and very big word Dior. That definitely stands out a lot. So they added this stitching on here or this fabric on here that looks very, very nice. But also give you guys that cushion when you guys do use it. So that way when you guys do wear it, it feels very comfortable and looks very nice at the same time. And the materials on here is like a beautiful mesh material or something. So that way, if you guys do sweat a lot, that won't be an issue. But this part right here, people will definitely know that it's a Dior product, you can see. And same thing for this part right here for the strap. They do have the same material on here that's like that beautiful mesh material. That feels really nice with that cushion, but also has that beautiful material. So that way, if you guys do sweat a lot, that won't be an issue, which is really cool. If you guys do look at the zipper right here, they also have another zipper compartment on the strap. So let's do open up. This zipper compartment right here is not too big, but big enough for maybe for you guys to put like small stuff. You can probably put like your credit card in here or your keys or anything else. But same thing right here, they do have the Dior word on the zipper and it's a high quality zipper, if you can see. How it's so effortless for you guys to open and close it. And that way you guys won't struggle when you guys do use it as well, which is pretty cool. And then right here, we do have a very nice buckle design that says CD on here for Christian Dior. And this buckle is actually very nice. Like if I try to open it, it won't open until you guys go like this. So you kind of have to push down right here to kind of unlock it. And it has like this like magnetic design on here or something. You see how it sticks on right there. And once you guys kind of push down, it pretty much releases it. Let me try one more time. So it sticks on, push down, and it releases it. So very unique design, you see. I definitely love that CD design on here for Christian Dior. That looks very nice. And right here, they do have a very nice strap that's adjustable to make it longer or shorter based on your own preference. And same thing for this strap compared to like the other bag that I showed you guys before. It does say Christian Dior on here as well. So it says it on this side and also on this side right here as well. And then for the bottom part right here, we do have a adjustable strap for you guys to unbuckle it to put on this side if you guys want to. So that way you can wear it on either side. So let's say, for example, if you guys want to take this part out, just push it down to take it out really easily. And that way you can unstrap it and then put the other side right here if you guys want to, just like that. So very easy and very simple for us to use it. And that is pretty much everything that's on here. So if you guys compare this to the other bag that I showed you before from this brand, I feel like this one's actually a lot more convenient for me to use daily, just for going shopping and anywhere I want to go like grocery shopping or something. It's just literally so convenient. Like if I compare this to the other bag that I showed you last time, which is like the saddle bag for this one definitely looks very nice and very cool, but the only issue that I have for this one is the fact that it's so small. Like if you guys put it side by side, you can see the difference on here. I can't really put much stuff on here compared to this side, and there's a lot more pocket for this new bag that I got right here. And the price that I'm paying for this one versus this one, this actually costs a little bit more than this one from what I remember. So I'm actually very excited to start using this bag, even though this bag looks a lot cooler. I can't put that much stuff compared to this one. And this one just looks like a very nice daily usage bag compared to this one as well. And I do want to mention for this buckle right here, you guys can hear, like when I do tap on the table, it's so high quality, similar to what you guys get on this one. But I do like the way how to design this buckle right here. Even though it says CD on here, this part right here, you do have the option to press the button on both sides to release it. And when I put it back together, it locks it in really nicely. It just feels so high quality, you can see. But in terms of the design for this one, it just stands out so much for the small one with the white stitching that's on here and that little word Dior. And like I mentioned, for the strap right here, it also says Christian Dior, similar to what you guys see for the other bag. But when you guys do open the inside, there's not that much space like I mentioned, even though it actually looks pretty cool and it's all leather. So I'm definitely going to be very excited to actually start using this bag. But right now, let me actually put it on to show you guys what it looks like compared to this one. So for this bag, you guys can feel free to wear it in the front or the back, since it does work as a crossbody bag. And like I mentioned, you do have the option to adjust it to make it longer or shorter based on your own preference. I do want to make it a little bit longer. So just like that. So let's put it on. So let's say, for example, if I use like this is what the product looks like in the front. Here's what it looks like on the side. And here's what it looks like in the back. If I wanted to, I can feel free to move this to the front and wear it like that as well. And when we do put it on, it feels so comfortable with everything that's on here in terms of overall design. It has a very nice good cushion on here to give you guys that all-day comfort and support, both for the top part right here for the strap and also for the back part right here with the Dior word and back. The overall bag itself feels pretty lightweight. Only part that's kind of heavy is the buckle itself, which is totally fine and totally understandable since they do use high quality material on here. And like I mentioned, for the bag, you can feel free to switch it if you guys want to switch it to the other side. So let me show you guys what I mean. Let's take it off first and let's change it to the other side. Alright, so just like that. So now you can wear it on the other side like this. So this is what the bag would look like if you guys wear like this. If you guys want to flip it the other way, you guys can wear it like this as well. So you can see the bag itself definitely looks very nice when you guys do wear it. And like I mentioned, you can put so much stuff in here compared to other bag that I just show you guys. Let me actually wear it to show you guys what that looks like compared to this one, just to give you guys an idea. So here's the other bag. If you guys do put it on, this one you guys can wear it like this, or you can kind of put it in the front like this, or if you guys want to, you can put it all the way in the back like that. But because of the weight of the product is so lightweight, it's harder for you guys to keep this in the back. It usually will keep moving and eventually move to the side. So it's probably easier for you guys to kind of keep it around here. So that way, if it does go back right here, you guys can actually push it back up this way. So that way it's no. And for this bag, you don't have to really switch anything on here, but you guys do have the option to change like this to wear in this side if you guys do want to, which is pretty cool. And they do have the adjustable option for you guys to make it shorter or longer based on your own preference, similar to what you get on the other one. But you see how when we do put on this one, it actually looks pretty nice as well. It's not too big, so it doesn't really get into your way. But because of the fact that how it's small and compact, you guys cannot put as much stuff, which is very inconvenient for me to actually use when I do go travel. But here's what the bag looks like for this one. So that is pretty much everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So regardless if you guys get this bag or this bag, that is totally up to you guys. Both of them are actually pretty worth it in its own way if you guys are in the market looking for like a high quality luxury bag. But if you guys want my honest opinion in terms of which bag to get, it really depends on what you guys are trying to look for. If you guys are trying to get something like how I mentioned, how if you guys want more space, you probably want to go for this instead, because there's so much more space on here and it feels really comfortable when you guys do wear it with a different mesh material on here compared to this one's like an all leather material that feels very high quality but very minimal, and you guys are not putting much stuff. So as of right now, if you guys were to ask me which one I prefer and which one I would recommend going for me personally, I would recommend going for this one if you guys are very adventurous or if you guys want something that's very luxury like a crossbody bag. I've been using one of these bags for like a really long time now and I've been loving it a lot. And now that I do have like a luxury bag from the Dior brand that literally does the same thing and probably the same stuff, that give you guys like a much more high quality material in terms of the overall material on here and just the overall design. I definitely have to say that this one's much more worth it in my opinion as is right now. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.